Hi, this is Luca. I'm Ms. Janelle and Otis's assistant, and we are doing home crafts at the DeSoto Public Library. Okay, and today's craft we are doing tie-dye coffee filters. Tie-dye coffee filters. Okay, yeah, so it's real simple. All you really need is coffee filter, paper plate, some paintbrushes, a cup, fill it halfway with water, and whatever color markers you want. Right here we have like a bunch of purples and reds, so yeah, that's what we got to work with. Okay, so start off, get your coffee filter and just lay it flat on the paper plate. Then grab whatever marker you want to do. So I'm gonna start off with purple and just start drawing on it. I'm gonna do like one giant circle around it, and let's do another circle on the inside. And you know, let's get some blue and draw like a squiggly line and draw another squiggly line. Cool. And for the outsides, get some orange and I don't know, just draw some lines. Yeah, so far mine looks like this. Hopefully yours is better than mine. And then we're gonna add some red, probably right around here. Just draw some triangles. Let's get this yellow right here and do the yellow dot in the center, and let's go around it with a different red. Let's fill that with another purple. Doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah, I like this so far. Okay, so next we're gonna get our brushes, right? And then we're gonna dip it in the water gently and then just go over our little coffee filter. And if you can see, the colors start blending. So we're just gonna do that. Now make sure you're doing this on a paper plate, because like the water will go through a coffee filter. So if you're just doing it on like a table or the floor, it'll like get the stuff dirty. Probably ink it with the marker or something. I have this big paintbrush that I'm gonna use just to speed things up a little bit. So dip it in there and yeah, it's working a lot faster. Okay, once it's nice and wet, kind of like this, you just leave it alone, let it dry, and it should hopefully look something like this. All right, and that's it. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.